Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Space ID token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Space ID is a decentralized multi-chain naming service and identity platform that provides human reliable domain readable domain names for the Web3 ecosystem. It functions as a universal name services, allowing users to register and manage domains like BNB and ARB across 25 plus blockchains. The project offers delivered toolkit, SDK, and APIs for easy integration of domain functionality into wallets and dApps. Its native ID token powers the ecosystem, enabling staking for discount payments and community governance through a DAO. Space ID project institution rating is 3.5, and this project audited by Ceretic. Space ID token total supply is 1.99 billion and circulating supply is around 1.4 billion ID token. ID token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project, after 90% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.